Well, today we're going to have a look at a new soldering iron from Tradeflame. Difference with this one, it is portable and it is rechargeable via USB. Now I haven't opened it up yet. I'm going to do a little job shortly, but just reading the instructions here at the moment, it tells me that it has the ability to reach its temperature in 30 seconds. How critical is that? And it's got a working time of about 45 minutes and it takes about 2 hours to recharge via the USB. So we're going to open it up shortly and we've got a little job to do, so we'll see how it goes. So we're over here at our vehicle in charging station. I've got the USB, I'm just going to plug it in. And you can see straight away the lights come on, so that's giving us an indication it's charging. Another little thing I want to point out is this cover on here prevents you from turning it on. So if I take that cover off, I can now switch it on and it's showing that it's now going into a heat cycle to heat the tip. Another little thing, it's got a little work light. So with that almost charged up, I think we'll take it over to the workbench and give it a whirl. Soldering iron now on, I've just stripped back some wire here. I've tipped this wire already on this side. I'll just do this one here now. So it's on, it's hot, the light's working. I'll bring the wire up, apply some solder to the joint, and you can see, look at that. That's got something on that wire now to be ready to attach to anything that we wanted. Worked quite well. Quite happy with that. There's the joint. Okay, so here's an example. I've got a 12 volt ciggy here that I'm putting together. You know, it might have come loose while we've been out traveling, or you might want to add an accessory while you're on the road. So I'm just about to connect the negative to the fitting. I've already tinned it all up ready, so I'm just going to bring the wire into position. Just turn it around like that. Soldering iron's on nice and warm. Apply the heat to the two fittings, wipe it through. Look at that, nice. Look at that. That's got that, look, that's soldered nice and solid. And all I really need to do now is put that fitting back together, and I've got a 12 volt ciggy ready to go. So with our job done, our ciggy put back together, what I've got to do now is clean up the soldering iron. It's done. Cap back on, and it's ready to go. The next time we need our cordless 12 volt soldering iron on the road.